Hey you guys, so on a boring Saturday afternoon, me and some of my friends planned for an impromptu trip from Bangalore to Hosur to a resort, Holiday Valley Resort in Hosur. And this is our first visit here. I'm going to show you everything that's there in and out of this resort. Stay tuned for the entire video. We have planned for a one-day trip. Let's see how that goes. It had huge gardens on both the sides of the road until we reached the resort. It's a very huge place, let me tell you this. We'll see everything about the resort, how it's inside, and what all they have got in the video, in the later part of the video. So we are entering the primary part of the resort here. It has got the list of rooms and all of that. And the left side has got the reception area of the resort. And lots of rooms and all of that, we are moving towards the parking to park the car. The parking is a little outside on an open ground to be able to park properly. So this is how the parking area looks like, basically all green and blue and open, airy and whatnot. So we did the booking for a day and we had booked villas because those were only the vacant ones because it was a last minute booking. And you can see the villas look something like this. Single rooms, and it had stairs. It had about 10 to 12 villas as far as I remember. So this is how you go down towards your room or towards your villa. That's my friend Antra holding the bottle. Now let me show you how the room looked like. It had a swing outside, which is pretty amazing. I mean, that was my first and most favorite place of that room. It had two sofas and a table and a good chair for people who want to work from home or something like that. And it had two remotes for the TV. And there was a menu cards, stuffs to make chai coffee, water bottles, and again the sofa and table. It had a shoe rack also to keep 4-5 shoes. The interior was pretty outstanding. It had a TV also, and look at that. I loved the way they did the interior, not the curtains. Curtains were pretty don't know, outdated. It had stairs to go up to the bedroom area, which had two bedside tables, tissue box, few earbuds, and AC, of course. Mirror with a hair dryer and mirror lights also they had given, and it had cupboards also to keep our clothes. I'll be showing you that. So this is the washroom, nothing fancy, just simple and clean, and I think it's fine. It had the geyser inside and looked fine to me. So this is how it looked like outside the room. A little bit of forestry and greeny parts. It had lights, like street lights and all. Cute. So we started going towards the reception area. This is the kitchen, which was right in front of our room. And as I was saying, we started moving towards the reception to explore a little bit of the resort, what all they have got. The best part was the lights at night. It was mesmerizing. It was amazing. I loved this resort at night, especially because of so many colors of light that they had put, and with the greenery lights and everything, get the feel, that amazing feel that you actually look for in a weekend getaway. Everything, this straight room in front of the camera right now is the bar where you can sit and drink. They have got alcohol at good prices. They had a bakery selling cakes and all of that. This is the restaurant which we entered later, and they also sell some extra chocolates and biscuits and cookies, and you know that you can pay a little extra and then get it. They had a lot of chairs and tables. I mean, lots and lots. I was very attracted and I was very happy with the kinds of chairs and tables they had in the lawn area and this sitting area also, especially this couch. I'll show you later in the video. And all of this, you know, they have got ample amount of space for everyone to be able to sit comfortably. This is the gaming room, which I'll show you later in detail, but I'm just taking you through that this comes on the way. Moving on, let's see the area a little. This is the game where you jump from there and you pop up. I don't know what's that called, but yeah. These guys had lots of plants, yeah, lots and lots of different kinds of plants and trees, which was pretty amazing and beautiful. Look at that lion, cute. This is how the lawn looked like, you know, all lightened up and colorful and green with a lot of chairs. People were just resting there, trying to enjoy the calm place that it was. And there were lots of rooms there in front, which are called the valley view rooms, probably, which faces the valley. So you can have the mountain view if you want. If you take those rooms, you can just see the mountains. Andra, say hi. Hi. Husband, say hi.
Actually,
Hi, driver. Say hi. So we went out of the resort to get few things from the nearby town. You know, that we forgot because of our amazing impromptu trip, you know, which was not at all planned. So we have basically come to the town out of the resort to get a chappal for him.
Oh, hello.
Which he absolutely forgot. And we are in search of chappal here, and you can see the villages. Very little.
Small time town.
Okay, the small time town is very little, and we really cannot find a single chappal store for our dear Varun. We concluded कि Varun के लिए chappal नहीं मिला.
You basically predicted in your video that we couldn't.
Now we are walking back from parking to our resort. In case I forgot to mention, this place is about 2 to 1.5 hour drive away from Bangalore city. It's basically 1.5 to 2 hours drive from my place, which is like near Bellandur and all the areas. And it's about 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes drive from Whitefield area. Amazing weekend getaway. You will never feel anything coming up from the city here. It's a very calm place and the perfect place to, you know, come and spend your weekend and just refresh yourself in this calm and quiet and beautiful place. So let's see the gaming zone. They've got these little rackets and carom board, and there's a foosball table which I have no idea how to play it, but I somehow managed to play in this entire stay of mine. Managed to play as in just started. And this is something which I actually absolutely forgot. What's that called? And this is, we all know, archery. And here's the TT, table tennis. They also had chess and Ludo and badminton and all of that, which was inside the cupboards. And these are two people playing TT. Well, I also tried playing this TT, and this was the first time I ever played table tennis, and I was failing miserably because the ball was not even touching my racket or bat or whatever you call that. It was hilarious and it was very embarrassing. This is the bar area where my friends had come for some drinks. It had some tables and they had lots of beers and alcohol options, I guess. At a very cheaper rate, that's what I came to know. But the sitting arrangement, look at that. It's a beautiful place and the ambience was wonderful. Especially the lights, the trees and all. I loved the sitting arrangement. And this man was amazing. If you go, look out for him. So me trying photography there with the plants and all. That's the entire alcohol stash that they had, I guess. I was just trying to film everything, that'll help you when you come. This was my favorite space in the entire lawn area. Beautiful table.
Hey all, good morning. So I woke up really early, everybody else is sleeping. And I just love the swing outside my room. It's pretty cool out here. Not cool like cold wala cool, but cool wala cool. I hope you understand what I'm saying, right? It's a beautiful place, yeah. Great for a weekend getaway, trust me. Let me show you outside, okay? I started vlogging very recently. I started with my Chikmagalur wala trip and it went better than my other videos. So I thought to vlog this one also. But I realized that I have to vlog this trip after I reached here. So I'll show you everything that I find. We came for one night, but probably we're going to extend a little. Let's see how that goes. But until now, for one night, even if for one night or for one day, this place is gorgeous. You have to visit this place. Hey, good morning from him too. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, he speaks very less. Let's go. I'll show you some of the resort.
So right after the last room of the villas, we had this huge space, open space facing the valley. We are just walking to explore this place a little bit in the morning.
So we came towards this place at 1 AM yesterday night. I don't know why. This seemed really beautiful yesterday night and it's more beautiful and much more beautiful in the morning. I wish I could have captured the sunrise, but look at this. Show you guys the view that I can actually see from here, but I'm not sure how far I'll be able to capture it in my phone. But look at that, it's stunning. It's much more stunning in my real eyes. It's a very beautiful place. I really cannot capture it enough in my phone, which I'm very sure about. Look at that. The villas sort of start from here, and they have probably 10 villas. But I mean, if you plan to come here, just stay in the villas. This is where I am staying, 308, with my best friend. This one is for the boys. And these are some more villas. The people are already staying. I love this jhula, yeah. It just gives a great feeling, you know. The traditional sort of feels. I made a video through this place last night and I'm vlogging it in the morning, so it's much more clearer, but it was very beautiful in the night. This was sort of my favorite sitting arrangement in this entire place, probably because of the table. There are a lot of places to sit, lot of tables and chairs, very nicely arranged and very good quality chairs. I mean, you can get all the resort wala feels. Oh god, I wish I could just stay here forever. There's a lion out there. This is a beautiful tree. Nice, yeah. I mean, the lawn is also well maintained. I think there are a couple of rooms in the building which are not villas that way. And this place is perfect. Look at this. Can you see that? This is the perfect sitting arrangement ever. And people don't crowd out here. So, you know, the best place to hang out. And what else? All the chairs, chairs, a huge lawn. That jhula, again, my favorite part. See, these trees are also very nice. And there are khajur trees, I guess. Or I don't even know what's that. There are a lot of different types of trees. This is a space for functions, I presume. Which is not used right now, but they have set up somehow. And here is a pool, which people are not allowed to get into because of COVID, I guess. But look at that. When they actually allow it, that place is gonna be so stunning. That's a kitchen or canteen. Not canteen, it's a kitchen, I guess, where people are cooking. There are lots of insects, teeny tiny insects, if you can see in my camera. That's my husband there, sitting with his phone, sitting in style. Doing what? I don't know. My god, I love this place, and this is one of those places which I would love to revisit again. Look at that. The sky is beautiful today. I'm sure most of you would agree. And this sitting arrangement, look at this sitting arrangement. Isn't it so cool? Like an old wheel carriage sort of themed. It's really nice. And here is a place, I can't remember, I can't seem to recollect what you call. You can jump and have fun. That's so cool. And the room that you see there is the gaming room where they have got lots of games, which I took you through yesterday night. I'll take you through again in the daytime. Probably I'll try playing foosball. I've wanted to play foosball for so long. People are talking a little, so they are loud. I don't know if you can hear me properly. Let's take it to my husband. Do you like this resort? How do you like this resort? Do you think it's the best weekend getaway from Bangalore?
Okay.
He says okay. Alright. Let's move on. This is locked and we are probably not allowed, but look at that. Oh wow. I'm in a pool in between mountains and with all the greenery, and outdoor pool so huge. Come on, man. It could not have been much more perfect than this, I'm pretty sure. They've also got some washrooms to change probably. Nice.
So we finally came to the restaurant for the breakfast. If by any chance you come to this place, try and meet Abhilash, who is the in charge for the restaurant and everything. He is an amazing guy. There were lots of things, lots and lots of things. This is Italy, and they had this vada, and that is pongal. And this is upma, which is also delicious. I mean, everything was delicious. This is kesari bhat, which is I think sweet or halwa, what do you say, mint chutney, coconut chutney, and peanut chutney. All three kinds of chutney they had. This is the aloo sagu sort of, potato curry sort of thing, sambar, and they had lots of bowls in case if you are healthy food eating person, try eating chocos or cornflakes, or for kids also. Bread toast, hot milk, and even a toaster if you want to customize it for yourself. They had given some breads and butters and jam and everything. There was tea, coffee also, which it was very early in the morning, so they got after 5-10 minutes. They had given some sugar and stirrer and everything. This is how the restaurant looked like. It was pretty huge. Again, ambience very, very pretty, very beautiful. I loved how they have decorated every part and every bit of it so perfectly, and all all stones and plants and all of that, which is very perfect. I admire that kind of place. Had some sweet somf and all those things if you like to eat them. This is a place for spoons and forks and plates. They have mentioned this area is sanitized every day, which is cute. Okay. And they had fresh juice, which changes every day probably, and cut fruits. And that day they had watermelons and watermelon juice only, which I took. The juice was pretty amazing, but the tea and coffee, I would say please don't keep your hopes high. They are very average. So I had taken a lot of things. Puri was made to order, so they got it hot. And idlis and upmas and vada and this watermelon juice also. I was very, very hungry. And my favorite meal of the day is breakfast. So I eat it pet bhar ke.
They are finally getting hang of it. Good job, guys. So they have got carom boards also and a foosball table, and that's me doing all the weekend work. And these are some tables, some games I don't know the names of. So here is a gym room actually. They have got a lot of equipments here. They have also got the snooker table there and a lot of gym equipments, guys. There are 2 treadmills I can see there and some running walking machines and all of that. Also some weightlifting machines. The door is locked from here. We can get it open, but we didn't want to go gym, so I didn't ask them. But here is how it looks like. I think that's a mirror reflecting the equipment. And this is our gaming room and kids playing. So we finally have one more of our members here. And he's playing with Tantra the beginner.
So here is me and Antra finally playing my favorite indoor game, Carrom. I love to play Carrom. But the board was not good. That's me again trying very hard to play. Now it's time for Varun versus Antra on TT table. So right outside the resort premises, but inside the entire area, resort wala hi area, we came to a place, Wadiyon mein baithne ke liye, to just chill and sit there for a while and just enjoy the view and all of that. It had a small water body going on, good place, very ventilated, बहुत हवा चल रहा था.
Hi Manu Bhaiya.
Hello, I'm the star of your vlog.
Hi Dash.
Hello.
Say hi. Okay boys, let's get going. ये 2 versus 1 क्यों चल रहा है?
क्योंकि 3 लोग हैं तो कैसे होगा?
So that's our Abhimanyu bhaiya acting like Arjun or Abhimanyu.
That did not go very well. No, yours is this. This is very hit in Arjun wale position.
Now witness my first attempt on archery. It was pathetic. I mean, really pathetic. Well, I also attempted dart board, hitting the dart, and I was the first one to at least touch the board.
So we are basically trying all kinds of sports games available in this resort. And you can see that we have explored every possibility and every game that they had. Except for chess, I guess. And this is my husband passing all the commentary with his mask on the chin for no use whatsoever. And that is Mr. Kiran Chettinada. And these are the pro boys for badminton and TTs. Yeah. But the brothers from another mothers. Look at his moves. हाय हाय, ये तो 90s की मूवी लग रही है. जितेंद्र और क्या नाम उसका? नहीं, एक और जो पता नहीं क्या नाम है उसका.
And that's me on the ground with the badminton racket after 10 or 12 years. I used to love badminton as a kid and I still do, but now it, just gives cramps in my hands and all of that. And this is how we spent our entire evening playing, and I was working in the lawn, sort of, until I logged out. And we played until the sun set. It was fun. It was really, really fun. I think badminton was the best part and was my favorite part in all the games. So after all the playing, we all had dinner, and that I did not film. This uncle made us a cocktail, a great cocktail, and he was making it and shaking it. It was so funny. We filmed it a little. If you go there, please meet him. He's a sweetheart.
Hey you guys, good morning again, because this is my second morning here. Today is the day we leave. It's a Monday. I have to log in for work from car on my way back to Bangalore. And let's see, I'm loving this place so far. The place has been amazing, and I don't know about other things. The only thing I have to say is the hospitality, the staff members are by far the best. I have been to 3 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars, 7 stars, but the hospitality that I received here felt like home. Everybody, every one of them, each one of them were the best. Very polite, very good people. Highly recommend this place, at least for the hospitality and everything. Actually, this place is the best we can get away from Bangalore. If you're someone who lives in Bangalore, I would highly suggest, please come down to this place. It's not very far from Bangalore and by far the best. And I'm going to come back here again because I love the hospitality, I love this place, I love the food, I love how the entire ambience is, I love how everywhere there are, it's all greenery and everything is perfect. So yeah, I think that's my final verdict on Holiday Valley Resorts. The only disadvantage that I felt from my trip was I started breaking out from here, if you can see. I have got some acne, which is not acne, which is something else. I think it's because of the change of the water and my skin is super duper sensitive. So probably because of that. Let's see how many days it takes after I go back home and I start using my skincare, and let's see how it goes. Leaving Holiday Resorts. Kamini.